Hello again, it's Noob, and today we get to look at one of my favourite locks. Favourite lock, you say? But why? Isn't this just a Chinese dimple lock? A little smiley dimple lock at that, so cool because of its little smiley face? And I'd say, yes, you are right. This is a relatively low quality Chinese smiley dimple lock. Why is it my favourite? Well, it's because a very, very good friend of mine bought this for me for a recent birthday. And you know what? I just really appreciate it because they know I'm into locks. They don't know very much about locks, but they know I'm into locks, and they bought this for me knowing that I like locks. And I just love that, and I'm really appreciative of such thoughtful gift buying. And I'm actually familiar with this lock in some ways because when I go on Amazon now and again and just like search for locks, see if there's anything out there to buy, when you search for dimple padlock, this, funny enough, turns up in the top, certainly top 5 locks on the website in the UK. Anyway, you can see the bitting here. We have 5 pins. It goes high, very low, very high. So max cuts here, and then sort of in between here. So like a medium and a very low again. So what can we do with this? Well, it does give me the opportunity to get out the old Goso dimple rakes. I call them dimple rakes. I think that they are probably an automotive rake of some kind, but they do work in this style of dimple lock and other dimple locks. I've got a little Y wrench here which will go either side like that, and I have a rake, and we're just going to go in like that, and we're going to gently rake the keyway, and we already have the open. That is quite how secure these locks are. Strangely, this lock is a lot harder to pick, especially if you are used to normal dimple locks. I think there's some like driverless design in here. They're a little bit different. They've got very thin, spindly key pins, and can throw you into a very deep falset at the drop of a hat. So we're just going to pop in a different Y wrench, and that gives us, look how much movement we have, that flop on the core. It's pretty extreme, isn't it? And I've got a little flat dimple flag here. So we'll lean into the lean, and we'll see where we get to. So nothing on pin 1 or 2 or 3. 4 is binding, so let's wriggle under 4. And 5. Okay, now back to 3 here. Try not to get the warding. I might have just overset 3 a little bit. No, it feels okay, I think. 4, 5, okay. If we might have overset 3, so we can always come back to it. I think we have, so I'm just going to reset, go back through. Like I said, can be a bit tricky to get these pins picked. That's 3, little click there, good. Just check pin, oh, trap behind pin 4 I think, so let's give that a lift. Okay, good. You might see me pulsing the tension there because it isn't easy to, I just tapped the pin 3 again, and I think we're pin 1 now. It's binding, good. Oh, and yeah, we've got the open. Yeah, I've got it. So if I take this out of the vise, you should see that it comes up and open. So yeah, it's a little trickier to pick just because of the nature of the style of pins in there than it is to rake, which was very quick. So there we go, the H&S Smiley dimple lock. No idea what this is made out of. Possibly zinc, I imagine, or something like that, some kind of cast pot metal. But a fun lock to explore. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed and would like to see more content like this, please do subscribe, for plenty more videos coming your way. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can, and of course I'll see you all next time.